Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the Odoo demo and create a demo account. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do is go to your browser and search for odoo.demo, and when your results come up in your search engine, you will find the Odoo online trial. Just click on that and you'll get to this screen right here where it's pretty much the same as building your own database. The URL for this, if you can find it on your browser, is www.odoo.com/trial, and that's going to take you to this screen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select just one module here. I'm just going to select the website one here, install e-commerce as well, just in case, and I'm going to click continue and go onward to the next steps. Alright, so I'm here where I set up my site information, such as the first and last name, the email, the website name, country, language, and phone number. I'm just going to name it tutorial. There we go. And then we can go ahead and click start now. And a valid phone number is required. So I'm just going to, add some random phone number. Hopefully it is valid. Let's see if that has 7 numbers. Let's hope that this is valid enough. And there we go, and that's going to start our Odoo trial, and that is pretty much it. Once you finish all of this, you will be able to use the Odoo trial just the same as you would any official Odoo version, and that is pretty much all there is to it. So let me just skip over everything and get to my dashboard, and you'll see that it is absolutely the same. So let's just wait until everything loads. Just click let's do it. Let's say an online store. Close, or actually no, I'm just gonna click skip and start from scratch. And as you can see, you can pick a theme. I'm gonna pick a clean one, and that should set everything up. And once you're done with that setup, it's pretty much the same as using Odoo anywhere else. Not sure which version of Odoo this is currently on. My guess is the same version that is currently live on the main service. So in this case, I'm pretty sure it's 18.2. Let me go to my settings to see if that's that version. You can also activate the trial if you want to. And yeah, it's 18.2 Enterprise Edition. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.